G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and what I've got here is the Wurth butane mini gas burner. This is a fantastic little burner here for doing your heat shrink, melting solder for say Anderson plugs, things like that, but of course at home when you go camping, because it's waterproof, right? It's got 1300 degrees, the flame temperature. It's got an electric start here, so when we push the button, it's got a little window so we can see how much gas is in it. Now a full tank of gas will give you 20 minutes of burning. It's also got an adjuster here to adjust your flame length. Now to fill it, it's really simple. You grab a tin of your butane gas, you turn it all upside down and you push it down. When the gas starts coming out, it's full. So I said you can do it on heat shrink. You can shrink your heat shrink, so I just can do that and melt my heat shrink, and we'll get a close-up of that. But of course, as I said, it's waterproof. So we've got our burner. I've got a tub of water here. In it goes. All right, just give it a bit of a flick, get the water off, bit of a blow, and there she goes, she lights. So if you've got a normal lighter and you're out camping and it gets wet, of course, it's very difficult to light, so you can use this even if it gets soaking wet. So the Wurth butane mini gas burner, fantastic for around the workshop, another fantastic thing to have at home and to take camping and things like that. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and the Wurth mini gas burner, it's ready for work.